Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing a melted smiley face. The first step we're going to take is to draw a curve that's going to go up like this. Now, when we make our circle or smile, it doesn't need to be perfect, so all these lines are going to be kind of curved like that. And just try to form this little half circle as best you can with these little waves or bumps. Now, once you have that, we're going to go on the first line that you made and then go down. There we go. Now, once you did that, go up and then we're going to make this long drip mark like this. Now, once you make that long drip mark, go down, up, and then make an even longer drip mark. And go up, just like that. Now, once you hit this, go down, up, and then we're gonna go down, up again. But this time, try to make these little waves and connect to the top. There we go. Now for the eyes are gonna be dripped, so draw a circle and then draw another circle kind of lower than the first one. So here's my other circle. And then draw the drip line going down and up. Same thing, go down and then up into the eye. And then for the eye, we're just going to shade it in and then shade in that drip part, just like this. Same thing on the other side. Shade it all in. And then once you have that, you're going to shade in the drip part. Perfect. There we go. Now for the mouth, we're going to go by putting a line across like this. And then same thing as what we did kind of to form the shape of the face. Just make these little bumps everywhere. So keep making those bumps until you go all the way up, and then stop. Now draw the same kind of line that you did on this first one. And I'm going to draw mine a little thicker by drawing a curve and then down and then close it up. Same thing on the other side, curve, and then close it up. There we go. Now color it in. Here's our melted smiley face. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye!